Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ragi brownies at home without an oven. First, we'll cover the essential ingredients and simple preparation steps. Then, I'll guide you through the cooking process using a stovetop method. Finally, we'll discuss how to cool and serve your perfect brownies, ensuring a delightful treat for everyone. This easy guide makes healthy baking accessible and fun. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ragi flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and half a cup of jaggery powder or brown sugar. Also, have half a cup of curd, 1/4 cup of a neutral oil like coconut or vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. A pinch of salt and a splash of vanilla extract will enhance the flavors. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for best results. First, sift together your dry ingredients, the ragi flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk the wet ingredients, jaggery powder, curd, oil, and vanilla extract until well combined and smooth. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet, folding gently until just combined. Pour the batter into a greased, non-stick pan, cover, and cook on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once cooked, let your ragi brownies cool completely in the pan. This crucial step allows them to set properly, ensuring a fudgy texture and preventing them from crumbling when sliced. After cooling, cut them into your desired square or rectangular shapes. These healthy, delicious brownies are perfect for a guilt-free treat. For more kitchen hacks and to find amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description for links and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, oven-free ragi brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.